Yes, sir. We about to ride these scooters to the little downtown area. They got the same ones like we have. Bird. I'm trying to see which one looks the best. Probably go with these two. Actually, it's more over here. So I'm gonna see which one's the best. Cause I'm gonna be slow, y'all. Y'all know how that goes. Now, I ain't never heard of that brand. I'm gonna stick with Bird. I know Bird ride. Y'all see my baby looking all good. Ooh, look at that thing in the back. Don't y'all look. That's mine. Through all the potholes. She riding out. She going through all the potholes and everything. I'm trying to film and almost bust my butt. I bet you won't stick your fingers in this. You ain't playing around, huh? Rolito. What's up, my man? Don't worry. I ain't about to eat you like some barbecue chicken. You got it. She's cute. Big guapo. I'm out of there. Out of there. Oh, you big man. Okay. He big man. I ain't gonna mess with you, dog. So this bird is a paquita. Beautiful bird. Different shades of green, different hues of blues at the bottom. Even got a little orange on him. Yellow. Look at his eyes. So nice. Beautiful bird. This bird here is a African gray parrot. He sleep right now, so I don't want to bother him too much. That's how they sleep, y'all. You know, maybe he not asleep. He waiting for somebody to stick a finger in that cage and he'll come. Nah, he knocked out. My dog knocked out. Hey, man, I'm knocked out. Man, let me sleep. So, this bird here is the green-winged macaw from Aruba, y'all. So, he born and raised in the county of Dade. Or, well, born and raised in the county of Aruba. Well, in the country of Aruba. So, a beautiful bird. Look at that. No, his name is Aruba. He ain't from here. He's from South America. The dog eats fruit, seeds, vegetable nuts, leaves, corn. Wow, they can live up to 40 years in the wild. Up to 70 years in the domestic. What's up, man? Look at him sleep. My fault, dog. I keep waking you up. I just want the people to see you good. I'm gonna let you sleep. I'm gonna let you sleep. This is two African gray parrots. Well, only one. He got a cool red tail. What's up, my man? What's up, my boy? Here we have black and gold. Maybe pronouncing it wrong. Macaw. Watch it be named Macaw. Oh, you big man. Oh, Lord. Oh, you big man, dog. My bad. I'm gonna keep it moving. What up, Laura? She 42 years old. Babe, Laura is 42 years old. You older than that? Yeah, you older than me, my boy. Well, my girl. I wonder if she been in that cage for 42 years. That's kind of crazy. He knocked out. This one named Rita. Another blue and gold macaw, or macaw. Depending on how, I don't know how they pronounce it. This one named Pepe. 21 years old from Australia. Pepe sleep like a mug. Wake up, my boy. Wake up, my boy. This one named Rolito, another green-winged macaw. I bet y'all won't stick y'all fingers in that. I bet you won't stick your fingers in this. You ain't playing around, huh? Rolito. Hey, KFC open now. Don't try to act like you sleep. Don't try to, oh, you want to close your eyes? Okay now. KFC be open. I'm just playing. So right in front of the Hilton is like they downtown eatery. There's so many choices. We don't know which one. We just smelling so much good food right now. They got Toledo peppers, which is
Salt and pepper, baby.
oh, salt and pepper, y'all. My bad. I'm underneath the influence of something else. Oh, I thought that said Toledo. That say salt and pepper. All right. That's what we about to eat. We had to make reservations, but it's nice and romantic in the heart of Aruba. He playing a little piano. See my man finna get down. Beautiful. Yeah, it is. Got the cheese out of it. You can smell that cheese. That's the real deal. Straight off the block. Yeah, straight off the block. And you see the number 3552 to see when it was stamped?
I thought that was a wooden bowl.
No. Oh Lord, she thought this was a wooden bowl. They pour the whiskey in.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.